Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to add credit card to your KakaoTalk account. If you want to make quick payment, buy items for KakaoTalk stores, or send gift in the app, adding a credit card is a simple step that can make life a lot easier. Let's get started. First, open up the KakaoTalk app on your phone. If you don't have it installed yet, you can grab it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you are in the app, tap onto the More tab at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile and setting page. From here, you can tap onto the emoji looking face called Emocation. You can tap onto the any gift you would like to purchase. Tap onto the purchase item. Here, you can see an option calling add credit or debit card. Once you have done that, you will receive a confirmation message. Here you will need to enter your credit card information. This includes your credit card number, expiry date, CVV or billing address. Make sure all the information is correct. After filling in your detail, double check everything and tap on save or confirm to add the credit card to your KakaoTalk account. Once you have done that, you will receive a confirmation message that your credit card has been successfully added to your KakaoTalk account. And that's it. It's super simple to add a credit card to your KakaoTalk account. Now you are ready to make payments and enjoy all the features KakaoTalk offers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.